Okay, what is up, my hair besties? So it has been a hot minute since I last posted. So I am going to try to stay on top of that. I have so many exciting things happening. So to start off, I thought I'd make a video of, my extension installations and what I make in a day as a extension specialist / hairstylist. So if you want insight on extension installation, I do have a separate video for that. I'm not going to go in depth with it in this video, but there is a step-by-step if you want to put me on mute and just kind of watch how I do my installation. It is step-by-step on my beadwork and whatnot. But this client here, we just did her extension maintenance. I know some people charge per row and whatnot, but I do a full extension maintenance in right at an hour. It typically never takes me more than an hour unless I'm styling them. But then that's extra. So I charge $185 for 2 rows to do a removal and reinstallation. I would say on average, because I'm really quick, so sorry about my dogs, they're so loud. But on average, it takes me about 40 minutes to do a full head installation, removal and install. So like I said, if you want to watch the installation clip, it is showing currently. But just some background, we did launch our Champagne Hair Extension brand. So you can check us out at champagnehairextensions.com. Link is going to be in the bio, of course. And we have these beautiful Genius wefts. And I believe our client today has them. So you'll see a variation of hand-tied wefts from the clients who had the hair before we transferred to the Genius wefts, and then the Genius wefts. What's the difference? You get to cut them and there's no shedding or worry that the hair is going to fall apart. They stay intact. You can cut to size, and they actually lay flatter than what the hand tied is. So I know it's insane. How do they lay flatter than hand tied? They absolutely do, and you can stack them and they're super easy to stitch in. They are literally to die for, the absolute best type of extensions. My dogs are so loud right now. Literally the loudest. I almost want to insert a video of the obnoxiousness that's going on right now, but I'm too lazy to put them up and go into a different room. So that's what you're getting today. So what you'll notice actually in this, I have tweaked how I ended my waterfall method. And so rewind that and pay close attention and do a quick little zoom in if you're interested in that. Everything is pretty much the same, and pattern 9 is the exact same. I haven't changed too much of my methods and how I stitch. Stitching is about the same, and basically everything else is the same. So like I said, we're just doing a quick little maintenance, and I guess I will stop blabbering your ears away and let y'all enjoy this portion, especially since my dogs are being extra loud, and then I will I guess come back in after this install. Okay, like I said before, her full total was $185. She tipped me $37, which brought our total to $222. All right, so we're on client number 2. They both had 6-week maintenance, my first and second client, but my second client grew out so much better. She did her extension maintenance and reinstall, so that puts us at a total balance at, I believe, $370. And that's not including tips, so I'll make sure to add the tip and full balance in the video as well. So you will notice I'm going to zoom past client number 3. We're still on number 2, but when I get to number 3, I wasn't able to film the end result. So I'm going to go ahead and give you all the details now. So we did a full highlight with a root touch-up, extension removal, and reinstallation, along with an express Brazilian. That was a whole lot. I believe the full total came out to $470, but I'll make sure to put it on the screen to ensure that it is correct. If you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead. I'll put everything in the link in the bio. And like I said, don't forget to check out our extension line at champagnehairextensions.com.